Hey, my name is Justin Case, and I just got in the Nubila Marco Weather System. So, hey, let's open it up and try to get this up and running. I got this from Helium Deploy. It came with, I believe, like an airdrop of like 8,000 of their tokens. So I figured, hey, why not? Do love airdrops. Yeah, let's take a look at what's in the box. So first of all, we have this quick guide right here that is sort of explains how to set it up. Looks like they have things made to drill into something. But yeah, we'll go over the quick guide. And inside, looks like we have, we got the main system right here. Nice. We have what looks like mounts to, well, drill them into maybe a piece of wood. We have the screws for that. Awesome. And then underneath this, let's see what they got. They have, all right, something to plug it in, and solar panel. Yeah. Awesome. Solar panel. Okay. So, shall we set this up? I'm going to set it up with the solar panel first, or maybe I should just plug it in and get some regular power to it. I can see that right now they have a connection in the back and this plug right there, so you could just kind of pop that in at an angle so it's flush at the bottom, and then we could plug the other side in to get some power to it. So I'm going to do that right now just to see if I can get this up and running with the phone setup. So I'm going to take this top off. I notice I can see it's working because I see that little light running right there, that little blue light on it. Okay, so I can actually just set it down right here. And let's take a look at the phone app. So let's get that up. Okay, here is the app right here. Not sure if it's going to be able to connect right away. I'll say allow location once. Okay. Please review and accept. Yeah. Okay. Granted. Click continue. I think I need to start this by clicking the plus. Clicking the plus on the device. Blow on or turn the wind sensor to activate. Okay. A blue light will indicate it's active and ready to pair. Oh, well, there's that blue light that I saw before. Yeah, click on next. Okay. If you have more than 2 devices, you'll want to confirm. Don't need to. There it is. I'm going to connect to it. All right. And it's asking for a Wi-Fi connection. That's fine. I believe my standard one should work. Oh, Helium shows up. I don't think I can use it, but that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go with Epoch. Let's see if we can join that. It says it needs to be 2.4. I believe that is one. You successfully set up your Wi-Fi. You can now rename your device. I don't know. I'm just going to call it Marco. How about that? M-A-R-C-O. Marco! All right. Now I need to, let's see here. Now you can start using your device and enjoy all the live weather updates. I guess I can optimize it. Oh, that takes me to place that just is suggesting things that I should do. Temperature sensors, shady area, How can I leave it in a shady area if there is a solar panel connected to it? Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right. Well, I got it up and running, so I'm not going to worry about all of this right now. Let's put this away. And let's see here. Looks like this one's simple enough. You just screw that in, and then you can mount it onto something. Nice. And for the solar panel, looks like you also screw this in here, and then you can set it up at an angle. So I think I am, I'm going to put it in the backyard. Let's go do that. Okay, so this is my plan. This is a pole I put up a while back for the WeatherXM up there. I'd like to try to get this mounted closer to the device, and then maybe just kind of screw this in somewhere onto the fence. So it'll be at an angle for the sun to hit on the back of it, and this will be higher up. Now, luckily, I found out that I had this right here, a way that I could just use like this U-bracket to hook it to the pole. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right. Okay, that's probably going to need some zip ties, but let's take a look at what I did. So, I wanted to make the mount pretty easy for the solar, so I just literally connected it right here onto the post and mounted it. So it's about the same angle as my rooftop right here, but I think it should be pretty well to hit the sun. The sun comes down that angle, but this I believe will work well. We'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, I do think I'm going to need some zip ties, so put some zip ties all the way around this, and that's pretty high up. I think that'll work pretty well. So yeah. Let's go back inside. We'll take a look at the app. Okay, so let's take a look at my connection right now. So here it is. Here is the Marco, the little icon. I don't know if I should have called it Marco, but I have it there. There's the kind of image of the device on the left side, and if I click on that, I can go in. It shows that I just got it up and running about 5 minutes ago, and yeah, I named it Marco. A battery 71%. It's online. Last observation. Showing that the signal is good. Yeah, got all the info right here. Looks correct. Oh, looks like I could set up a new Wi-Fi device if I wanted to, but I don't need to, obviously. Going to the front here, just looking at it, I can see that the connection to upload is working. It's not gray, so the little cloud with the arrow going up is white. That means it is connected. It's not connected to Bluetooth right now. Curious about that. Maybe because of me clicking on the other buttons, but as you can see, it's grayed out, so it's not going. Battery is doing well. As you saw earlier, it was 71%. And if I click on the info button, it's going to send me the information that gives me more details about setup and so forth. But it's, got all the information there, 55 degrees outside. If you want to change that kind of stuff, you can on the right side here. I had changed mine to Fahrenheit. Got wind speed, got pressure, got UV. Yeah, looks good. If I want to look and see if there's others in the area, it looks like a bunch of other people have set up the same system out there. And of course, because I've only been up for 5 minutes, if I go under rewards, there are no rewards right now, no points. Total earnings 0, G points, yep, nothing so far. So I am going to have to wait a while, and hopefully I'll see how much I'll be making on a regular basis. But as I mentioned, I got this from Helium Deploy, and I believe it came with, I don't remember exactly how many points for the airdrop, but I will check that out. They sent me a form I needed to fill out in order to get those points, so I'm going to look at that right now. But other than that, that's the setup process. Not too complicated, and unlike things that you have in your car, which I've been complaining about, these are pretty much, plug it in and leave it alone. You don't have to do anything, so love that. All right, well, hey, thank you for watching this setup, and my name is Just In Case. Please do like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.